look at you.
Well, how are you today?
I was wondering if perhaps we could come over and play.
Oh,
I smell something funny.
well, fuck off.
I can't believe nobody invited us to go to prom.
I wanted to go to prom.
Maybe they were just intimidated by us.
It's a beauty. Wanna kiss me?
I think this is a good look for me. Oh, hello. What's happening? Hot stuff?
Oh.
Broke the camera.